Hi everyone, I'm Ashley from the Cherokee division of Forest River, and today I'm here to show you the Gray Wolf 29TE. This is the perfect model for a family that's looking for ample sleeping space. In the 29TE, you have a private bunk room with tons of sleeping space. You have your large bunk on this side with tons of storage, as well as storage here, and then you have two bunks on this side of the bunk room as well with your USB hookups, so your family and friends, kids can charge all of their devices, and windows in your bunk room so you get lots of nice air in here. Moving out of the bunk area, we have your huge U-shaped dinette. This is the biggest U-shaped dinette in the industry. You can fit plenty of friends and family here, and your huge storage drawers that are under all of our U-shaped dinettes for any of your storage needs. In addition to that, you have large windows here in your slide out with our zebra blinds. You can open these windows, which is great because you can get some cross ventilation, and on these zebra blinds, you can adjust them so you can get complete blackout or allow a little bit of light in. So this is a great multifunctional space as well, because this lays down and makes an additional sleeping area, so if you have some extra guests with you. And we also over here have our huge chef's kitchen. All of our Gray Wolves are going to have your full-size residential style farmhouse sink, your hose for cleaning your pots and pans, of course, your Cherokee sanitizer or soap dispenser, and plenty of counter spaces. If you look, our counters are extra thick and just have a really nice look to them. You have some additional drawers here as well for your storage, your overhead cabinetry. If you look here, you'll notice we have tons of lighting, so you can see extremely well in this area, plus all of your electrical hookups for your coffee pot, anything that you need to use in the kitchen. We're always trying to think of functionality in our units. So all of our Cherokees and Gray Wolves have this cutting board, which is great. It's also decorative as well. In addition to your full-size stove and oven with the decorative lighting and your microwave. So you really have a very complete kitchen setup here. And you have a huge 12-volt refrigerator, so you can fit tons of food and drink in here for your friends and family. And something that's really neat on all of our Cherokees, Gray Wolves, and Wolf Pups is our juice pack system. The juice pack system is our solar panel that is installed on the ceiling of your unit, which will help to power your 12-volt refrigerator. Next to your refrigerator, you have this huge full-size pantry. I mean, you can just fit a ton of different items in this space. And you have your TV set up. You can put a massive TV here so you can watch movies or a game. You have all your hookups and your sofa on this side. This sofa is a jackknife, so this will also double as a sleeping space. As mentioned, we're always trying to make our spaces as versatile as possible depending on what your particular needs are. Check out this huge bathroom. Something really cool about this bathroom is that you have an access door directly to the outside. So if you have friends that are at the campsite with you or your kids, they can just walk right into the bathroom from the outside. They don't have to walk through the rest of your unit. You can throw your kids in the shower and spray them off, so you don't have to worry about getting your unit all muddy. In the shower, we have this really large radius style shower with the huge skylight. That's really nice because that allows a little bit of extra headspace for some of our taller customers. And we have full-size vanities. So you have this really functional, nice medicine cabinetry underneath, and a full-size sink with your electrical hookup. So it's truly a very functional space. You have your foot flush toilet, and another really nice item in this unit is that you have your access from the bathroom directly into your bedroom. So that's ultra functional, especially at nighttime. In the 29TE, you have your own private bedroom. It's great. You can have tons of kids, friends, and family, but you can kind of shut the door and go into your own space. You have plenty of cabinetry, your side cabinetry here, so you can hang your clothes. And instead of just doing a shelf here, we have a full bank of cabinetry overhead, so all of your items are secure Another thing in all of our Cherokees and Grey Wolves is you can lift the bed and you have a huge storage space underneath the queen size bed that you can access from both the bedroom and from your cargo door on the exterior of the unit. Something that's really functional on the Cherokees and Grey Wolves, if you look here, this window is ultra functional because you can actually open this window. That's really important because you can open the window on the other side, so you can get a really nice cross ventilation here without necessarily having to turn on your AC if it's a spring or fall day. Let's take a look at the exterior of the 29 TE. One of the things that we do on all of our Grey Wolves is we use this tough coat metal. You can kind of hear my hand going up and down. This is a really great material to use because while you're in transit, in case you maybe go by some trees or at the campsite, maybe get scratched a little by some branches, that is not going to scratch and damage your unit. So that's a really nice feature of all the Cherokee Grey Wolf and Wolf Pup floor plans. And in addition to that, on the 29 TE, again, we have our full outside entertainment setup with our TV brackets, speakers, your electrical hookups, and then of course your full power awning. So that's great for those rainy days. Moving towards the outdoor kitchen on this unit, we have our Cherokee stable steps. These are awesome because you have a huge wide step on the top of this stair and you have this kick plate and huge grab handle. So it's very secure and safe to get in and out of your unit. Now check out this huge outdoor kitchen. Again, this is the leading outdoor kitchen in the industry. There is no kitchen like this at any price point on any unit. You have your refrigerator on one side and freezer on the other. I mean, that's awesome. You can put like ice cream, popsicles, whatever out here, all your drinks. This is all metal, which is great for any places that would have any moisture. You have a storage door for any items that you'd like to put there. Your cooktop LP Quick Connect, so in case you have a portable grill that you want to hook straight into your LP lines, that's what that Quick Connect's for. It's ultra functional. You have your sink and ice maker and some counter space, and then of course overhead cabinetry. Truly, this is the industry leading kitchen, and dollar for dollar, the Grey Wolf is absolutely the best value on the market. Thank you so much for taking a look with me at the 29 TE. If you have any more questions about this model or any of our other Grey Wolf models, please visit our website at forestriverinc.com/Grey Wolf. Thank you very much.